child, Deja is my child that has issues with bullying. I want to encourage the parents because, and I want you to know that bullying it's not no racial boundary. Bullying, we came from, I had them in charter school. I had them in charter school, which was mixed race, and she excelled, no problem. He'll be in high school, he did not. So trying to do what's best for both of them, my husband and I said, well, we will just move to Fulton County because Fulton County has the resources that Cobb County charter didn't at the time for him. So when I moved him to Fulton County, he excelled and she suffered. He excelled academically, he excelled with his peers because where he was getting bullied in Cobb and she wasn't, now she was getting bullied in Fulton County and he wasn't. And as a parent, you can feel like you're being stretched thin. You don't